Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Ps5 is running the latest system software so drivers behave predictably. Once done, plug a wired USB keyboard and mouse into the console's front or rear USB ports. You want a direct connection first to confirm basic compatibility. If you have a USB adapter for wireless peripherals, attach the adapter to the Ps5 and then plug in the keyboard and mouse dongles. This first step isolates hardware issues before moving into settings and Bluetooth pairing. Next, you dive into the Ps5 settings to tell the system how to treat your devices. Go to Settings, then Accessories, and check Bluetooth accessories to confirm nothing conflicts. Wired devices usually appear automatically. Make sure the console recognizes keyboard and mouse as input devices and set any primary input options if the game or app exposes them. Then test typing in a text field and moving the cursor in the built-in browser so you can confirm responsiveness and latency. Finally, pair wireless devices if you're not using wired connections. Open Settings, Accessories, Bluetooth accessories, then follow pairing prompts for each device. If you use a third-party USB adapter for keyboard and mouse emulation, make sure the adapter firmware is current and set to the recommended mode, sometimes labeled PC or console mode, then test in a game that supports these inputs. If things go wrong, reboot the Ps5, reset cables, switch USB ports, and try a different keyboard or mouse to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.